Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for all you Samsung Smart TV users out there. We'll be diving into the world of display settings to show you how to turn on the blue light filter on your Samsung Smart TV. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's get right into it. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a blue light filter and why is it important? Well, blue light is emitted from screens and can potentially disrupt your sleep patterns and cause eye strain. The blue light filter helps reduce the amount of blue light emitted from your TV, especially during those late-night binge-watching sessions. Step 1. Accessing settings. Alright, let's jump into the settings. Using your remote control, press the home button to access the main menu. From there, navigate to Settings. Depending on your TV model, the menu may look slightly different, but the general steps should be the same. Step 2. Display settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Picture or Display settings. Again, the exact wording might vary, but it's generally under the Display or Picture options. Step 3. Blue light filter. Now, within the Picture or Display settings, you should find an option labeled Blue light filter or Eye saver mode. Select that option. Step 4. Adjusting the blue light filter. Once you've selected the blue light filter option, you'll likely have the ability to toggle it on or off. Go ahead and switch it on. Some TVs might also allow you to adjust the intensity or warmth of the filter. Play around with these settings to find the level that's most comfortable for you. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully turned on the blue light filter on your Samsung Smart TV. Remember, using this feature can be especially beneficial during those late-night viewing sessions to help reduce eye strain and improve your sleep quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Samsung Smart TV users. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.